Well, we had a tree come down in the 85-mile-an-hour plus gusts the other night. So the road's blocked, and I don't have my chainsaw with me here. I got to go up to the camp and get my chainsaw, maybe even go back to the truck and get my chainsaw. But we're definitely not going anywhere. Well, I got the chainsaw from the shed and trying to clear this tree. I started some work. Got some pretty good sized rounds going here. I'm hoping that Bumble can push some of the stuff out of the way once I kind of break off enough length of tree. It's a bitch, man, but it's good firewood for next year. Go, girl. Hey. Sorry for the weird camera angle. I just was making a run up here for fuel. To swap propane out on the heater in the shed because we have to keep our lithium batteries above 32. And I ran out of fuel, so making a run. I got like 6 propane tanks in Bumble. Luckily, I still had one up there, but we'll see what we can do with just a couple more rounds, and then we'll go from there. Some pretty powdery stuff. We got winds up to 90 at our place. At least that's what the report was. So it's no surprise, I guess, that this bad boy came down. It's been dead for a long time. I just haven't wanted to bring it down on our own. Probably should have. Saved me some trouble. The other test of my patience is that I don't have any bar oil. I have plenty of fuel mix, but no bar oil, so I'm running 5W30 in there. Go ahead and flame me with your comments. I know that I'll get some. What the hell? You're gonna ruin your bar. I know, but I gotta do it, man. Sometimes shit has to get done. All right. I can get this. Cut. Whoa. Let's not kill ourselves, man. Seems to be all the way through. Let's limb this guy. This is when you go, thank God you got some tools, man. It's a big freaking tree. Good 24 inches through. I'm probably 30 feet from the place where it broke off, which is 5 feet above the base. So it's an old tree. We've been watching these trees for a while. Most of them died off in a forest fire, probably. Oh, well, this one I'm not sure about the forest fire. This one could be beetle, bark beetle. But we do have forest fire trees here that have been standing for hundreds of years because fresh trees around them with no signs of forest fire are right next door. So, you know, one tree dies, new tree lives. Way before us white people were here. Maybe not the indigenous, but this way. Snow on it. All right. Yep. Smoking. Okay. Let's see if we can push some of this with Bumble. All right, guys. Shovel. See you later, buddy. Okay. Well, let's see where we can. Okay, let's give this a try, shall we? Alright, let's see what we can do. I don't know if I can do this while I'm holding the camera, so let's go ahead and well, I got this round out of the way, but in order to get around, I'm gonna be a little bit precarious on the side here. think I might need to take another one off, because I don't necessarily want to die today. You know, that would be sucky. So this one is coming off. I think one more round and we should be good. We're gonna try to clear one more round of about 2 to 3 feet, probably about where this branch is here, cut across. It seems to be where the tree snapped anyway, so that'll help. And that'll get me through to the camp. So let's put this up here. I don't know if I can do that. What is this? Nope. Please stay for me, camera. So I thought I was videotaping as I was driving by the tree obstacle coming up to drop off my tanks, and I did not. I was not recording. I'm not sure what happened. So I'm gonna see if I can get a couple of minutes of footage before and after we get there going down. It's a slushy day. You know, we got about 6 inches of snow, but it didn't really accumulate uniformly because of all the wind. So I had to cut a few drifts up, but generally not too bad. Anyways, coming up on the tree. There's the tree, and I was able to make enough of a hole that I can get through. You know, let's see if I made enough of a hole I can get back through. And oh yeah, easy peasy. All right, good. I don't feel as bad now. Go suspension, go. All right, so heading home. Thank God I got through it though.